right, so for this problem, what they're asking us to do is determine our rational zeros. So to determine the rational zeros, what we're going to have is we need to determine the factors of p over q. And it's not just going to be the factors, it's going to be plus or minus the factors of p over the factors of q, which I should be a little bit more clear on. It's plus or minus the factors of p over the factors of q, where p is my constant and q is my leading coefficient. So therefore, this equals plus or minus, what are all the factors of p? 2 and 1. What are all the factors of q? 3 and 1. So now I'll just do this in descending order. So my highest value I can have is 2 over 1. So I'd have plus or minus 2 over 1, which is 2. Then plus or minus 2 over 3. Bless you. Then I can have plus or minus 1 over 1 over 1. Why don't I do 1 over 1 next? No, we won't do it in descending order, I guess. So you could do 2 over 1, 2 over 3. Then I'll do 1 over 1, and then plus or minus 1 over 3. So those are all your possible rational zeros. All right. So if you have a rational zero, then it's going to be one of these numbers. And remember, if I asked you to find all the zeros, and you didn't know which one of these work, and you had to use synthetic division, what would be the first two you'd probably want to use for synthetic division to determine if they are zeros or not? 1 and negative 1, right? And then if you can determine those are zeros, then you can find the rest of the factors. But that's all you guys need to do for that one. OK? So we'll end that there. I'll finish up the next two problems. And then I'll give you guys some homework to do. I'm sorry. I'll just give you guys time to do your review.